Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can schedule your Instagram live and how to share a live reminder to your followers. Alright guys, here I have opened my Instagram application, and the first thing we have to do is clicking on this plus button, and then since we want to schedule the Instagram live, you have to select the live option. You just need to scroll this option and then just click live right here. Okay, and if you want to schedule your live, you can simply click on the schedule option right here. Then you can pick the date and time when you want to do your live. You can click right here, start time. And then, for example, I'm just going to select this date. And then for the time, I'm going to pick 10. Okay, and once you're done, you just need to click on done option. Then you can also put video title of your live video right here. And for instance, I'm going to put this title. Okay, and after we are done setting this live video, we can click on schedule live video right here, and then just wait for a moment. Okay, and your live video now is scheduled, and if you want to share a reminder to your followers, you can click on share right here, and then you can select either share as a post or share to story or share link. And for example, I'm going to select share to story. Okay, and this is the reminder, and then you can edit the story first before you post it, and after you are done, you just need to click on your story right here to share this live reminder to your Instagram story. Alright guys, and that's how we can schedule Instagram live and how to share the live reminder to our followers. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on another tutorial.